Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2022 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. And moving to the interior with power windows and door locks, Bose stereo system, heated leather seats. Of course we have cruise control, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel. This Trail Boss has the 5.3 liter paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. And moving on to the rear passenger compartment with seating for three. We have a couple of USB ports back here, and of course we have the heavy-duty Chevy molded floor mats. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2022 Chevy Trail Boss, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.